In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 5,000 Naira every single day with your smartphone, doing simple jobs. Now, let's go straight to the point. As I seen on my screen, you can see my balance here is 8,500 Naira. So, let me show you the kind of jobs you'll be doing to make the 5,000 Naira every single day. So when you tap on these three lines, I will show you how to get started. Just watch this video. Perform tasks, available task. So I will show you the jobs you'll be doing in order to earn 5,000 Naira every single day, and I'll be showing you how to get started. So now you can see the kind of jobs you'll be doing. You can see them. Instagram, can you see them? WhatsApp group, TikTok. These are things you do free of charge on social media. These are things you do free of charge on social media. But this platform is going to pay you for doing them, as easy as that. And here is also the best part. You earn 600 Naira for every single person you refer to this platform. You earn 600 Naira. So this platform is very, very legit. You earn 600 Naira for every person you refer. Now, how do you get started with this platform? This platform is very legitimate, and I also make a live withdrawal. So to get started, tap on the link in the description. You will see a link in the description if you want to get started, a particular link there. So when you tap on that link, it will bring you to this page. You put your first name, you put your last name as it is on your bank account. Then you put your username. Your username can be something like this. For example, you can use your username as modest6 or any username you like. Then you put your email address, register as. You tap on this register as. Make sure you register as an earner. Can you see it? As an earner. Then you put your password, then you confirm your password, then you tap on sign up. So once you sign up, they will send you a link to your email. And when you tap on that link in your email, you'll be able to you'll be able to complete your account registration. And after that, you will see a button on your account. Once you have verified your account, once you have tapped on that link they sent to your email, you will see a box on top of your screen which says activate now. So you will now need to activate your account with just 1,000 Naira only. You just need to pay 1,000 Naira just to access the task, so you can start earning money for yourself. So in case you still want to activate your account but you're finding it hard, there's also a tutorial on how to activate your social earning account in the description of this video. You can check the description of this video in order to see how you can activate your account. That is after registering, how to activate your account with 1,000 Naira. So now I'll be making a live withdrawal on this platform so that you see that it's legitimate. So I'll be making a withdrawal of 7,300 Naira. I'm making a withdrawal of 7,300 Naira. So just watch this video, please. Let's work. Okay, now I'll select my bank account. OPay 7,390 Naira. 7,392 Naira. Then I'll enter my password. Then I'll withdraw. Okay, I've requested for an OTP. So let me go to my email and get the OTP they sent to my email. Please be patient with me as I make my withdrawal. So you can see that this site is legit. Please be patient with me. Let me get the OTP they sent to my email. Let me get the OTP they sent to my email. Please be patient with me. Be patient with me as I get my OTP, please. Alright, so this is the OTP here. So can you see the OTP? So I'll just copy the OTP they sent to my email. Copy. Then I'll go and paste it back for them in their website. So let me paste the OTP. So I've pasted the OTP. So I'll now tap on withdraw. So they are processing my withdrawal. So you can see I withdraw 7,392 naira. Can you see it? Can you see it? 7,392 naira. Now I will go to my OPay now so you can see the money has reached my bank account. So let's check whether the money has arrived. Okay, still processing. Let's be patient. In a minute or 2 minutes, the money will land in my account. Can you see it? Can you see the notification now on my screen? Can you see it? 7,392 has been sent to me. Can you see it? So this platform is very legit. This platform is very legit. You can see it's successful. You can see they have already sent me the notification on my screen. Can you see it? My OPay, that they have sent me money. So this platform is very legit. So go ahead and sign up. If you have questions, you can ask in the comment section. This platform is very legit.